Hey there, Horne-Ellstrom here with my pixelated face. I like this one. It reminds me of a puzzle. I used it once before a long time ago, and I got a bunch of feedback that there's something wrong with your computer. You've got a pixelated face. I'm like, okay, the background's clear, right? Is the background pretty clear? So it's obviously just an effect on Facebook where I'm recording this that pixelates my face. But I like it because it reminds me of kind of a crossword puzzle. And aren't we all sort of a puzzle? Well, today I'm calling this Sharpening the Saw because I am going to pretty much take the day off and look at and do some things and do some planning and some organizing for the rest of the year and into next year, and just kind of reflect on what I do and do not want going forward. I'm working on the annual challenge for next year, so I will be putting some pieces together for that and finalizing my ideas on that. I've been working for a couple of months now on an idea, and I have not 100% decided I'm going to move forward with it, but I'm pretty much leaning toward moving forward with that idea. It's going to be different than anything I've done in the past. It's going to be a little more involved for people than anything I've done in the past. I'm going to ask people that are participating to actually take action and do something right along with me every day for the year. And that's a big commitment. Most people can't even, or don't even want to commit to making a New Year's resolution and sticking to something for a couple of weeks, much less 365 days, every day in a row. Yet, those same people, me included, we brush our teeth every day. We go to the bathroom every day. We eat every day. We sleep every day. We do so many things every day. Why would we not want to add something that can consciously, absolutely positively change and transform our life in a positive way to just doing a little bitty thing every single day? And I learned that a long time ago, and I've done that for, I guess, decades now. I've just incorporated into my life the things that I know will make me and help me to progress in the direction I want my life to go. And so I like to share that and encourage other people to do the same. So Sharpening the Saw today, that's what I'm going to be working on. Already done today's videos, today's content creation. Supersize Your Business was behind the times, talking about being old-fashioned or outdated, and of course my hair is the prime example of that. I put on an old-fashioned sweater to represent that as well. And then I got on to thinking about, well, it's not just not being an early adopter or not doing things in our industry or our business that can move us ahead technologically or structurally or with respect to automation or strategy, but or in the different business functions. Are we staying on top of what's on trend, what's working, what's not working, and applying that to our businesses? Or are we, and so not just those things, because those things are pretty much in your face. Yep, we need to be doing those things, keeping up with what's going on and how the world is changing. But how about our thinking and our beliefs and our thought patterns? And are we letting fear, doubt, worry, limiting beliefs, thought patterns, way we've always done things, are we letting those things hold us back from creating and being and doing and having what it is that we could be, do, and have? So that one went a little bit different than I thought it was going to when I first started talking about it. But it reminded me of a conversation I was having with a consulting client yesterday that's just reminded me of where I was 20 years ago or so in terms of how this person was feeling about what was going on in their business right now, and how I had experienced the exact same thing. Isn't it interesting when we coach and consult with people that we learn more about ourselves and we realize more about ourselves each and every day, which is one of the reasons I love it. Our annual challenge today, I actually switched around today and tomorrow because it's about the joy and the happiness in not fighting battles. And today's was for at school or work, but since it's Sunday where I live, I decided that I would do tomorrow's, which is not fighting battles at home or avoiding battles at home. And then tomorrow we'll do school or work. So I just kind of flipped those around. Because guess what? It's my challenge. I can absolutely positively do that. Guess what? It's your life. You can absolutely positively do that whenever and wherever you want. Our Get Up and Go challenge today, day 17 of our free 30-day October 2021 Get Up and Go challenge, was about our financial area and aspect of our life. We're going through the SOAP framework with respect to that. Yep, you can see SOAP. And we're on the O. No, we're not on O. We're on A. Actions. We have to analyze our options from the O that we discussed, and we used a strategy called Power Vision Movie yesterday to come up with what are the different possible options we could look at. And then today we analyzed those. We looked at the alternatives. We analyzed them using something called nominal group technique. And I shared a couple different ways of doing that. And then taking the answer to that and then taking action on that. What are we going to do? Okay, we picked our alternative. Now we need to take action on it right away. So that was our Get Up and Go challenge today. And tomorrow we will talk about the P, the progress, making progress with respect to our finances. So that's what I'm working on. I am going to say bon voyage, and I'm going to go sharpen my saw. I ran across a book and some other things that I want to review and just remind myself of. So I'm sure I'll be breaking out the magnifying glasses today and working on some things like that. Any questions? Feel free to ask. Otherwise, I'll be with you tomorrow. Non-pixelated. Bye. Have a great day.